Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So as you can see, we have a box here. So in here I have 4 Lumias which are running on Windows 10 and Windows 8.1, and one running on Project Astoria where I can install Android apps. And this is another phone which I bought recently, and let's crack it open and show you what inside. So it cost me around 10 or 20 $13, I think. So it has an issue. Actually this phone has an issue and I don't know how big is it, but let's check. So let's crack it open first, then I will show you which model is it, because I don't want to tell you right now which one is it. So yeah, here. So crack this and there's tape everywhere. So open the box and let's check the phone. It's come with bubble wrap. So we just got the phone, nothing else here. And as you can see, so it's a heavy phone, big phone. It's a Lumia 1520, which I paid about $13, I think. So it has a display issue. Let's check how major is it. Okay, let's turn. I saw it was working, so let's check it. Or I need to charge the phone. Maybe I need to charge the phone. So let's plug it and check. So I have a charger here. As you can see, it's turning on right now. So let me show you the Project Astoria one. So as you can see here, this phone is Lumia 820, and I have tried 6 or 5 times to install Project Astoria and I have failed, but later on I got it. And as you can see here, the Android app CPU is here, and if I show you the device, as you can see, system, it's running on Android 4.4, and I have installed few apps here, as you can see here, like Facebook and Imo, Instagram. These apps are working just fine. Not sometimes they crashed, but it's still working. And here I have another phone which is Lumia 625. It's running on now GDR2 update. As you can see here, it got GDR2 update and running well. GDR2 update running well on this phone. And this is running on pure Android Windows 10, and it's running great. And this is one of my favorite phone. And this is our Lumia 1520. As you can see here, it has a display issue, but touch is working just fine. And if I go here, I don't know, is it 16 gig version or 32 gig version, but anyway, the phone is booted up right now and it has charge left. Let's check the camera. So as you can see, camera is working fine. Let's take a photo. And we took a photo of a plant. As you can see here, I think you can see the photo, and I need to focus my camera. So if I zoom in, it got a 20 megapixel camera, which should be fine. And I don't know the display is repairable or not, but as far as I know is that I can connect this phone to my PC and I get the display mirroring and I can control my phone over there. So basically I bought this phone just to record video, and because it can record full HD video and also it can record 4K, I think. I don't know So it can take DNG photo, which is raw photo, and that's a cool feature for 2013, I think. So that's all working just fine right now. And if I turn on front camera, it's also working, as you can see my phone and other things. So right on that, what I am seeing is that it has more issue with the power button. So power button does not respond, but volume button is responding just fine. And I can see display is quite bad shape, and it's a big phone actually. So let's check the storage, which I don't know how to check the storage because I need to check on my phone to get it. The language is different there, so it should be time and language, it's not there. Device, okay, or it should be in the system. Okay, in the system we can get the storage option. So if I go system, and here is our storage, and it's got 32 gig storage. As you can see, 29 gig is available here, 29 gig, and it's got 32 gig storage, and it's got 2 gig of RAM. Hopefully I will be able to use this phone. And there are some photos from previous user, although he said it has a display problem, but he didn't say me that it has a power button issue. As you can see, I can't press the power button, but other buttons like bar, volume up and down, and others are working just fine. And I don't think I will be able to fix this issue, the display issue. I'm thinking that the battery is bloated, which pushing the display. Maybe I need to check that. If it's that way can fix this problem, that will be good actually. But if cannot, then I have to use it as it is. I don't want to fix the display. I will use it as it is because display is quite expensive. So I already paid more than $10 for this, and I don't want to spend more on it. I just want that if I get like something which if they sell any dead phone, I will try to pull the display from that and try to get the display like that. So if I get it like that, and if I check here, this phone must be disassembled previously. As I can see, the sticker is not in right position. Let me show you. So the display is not in the right position. I think it may be disassembled previously, or the previous owner did something with it. So that's it. The display is actually not that bad shape. Sometimes it's in good shape, but sometimes in bad shape, really bad, as you can see here. But it's working just fine right now. I don't think it will be an issue to use this phone like this. So I will try to shoot videos and other things with this phone, and I will see you next time. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.